Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be about the top 5 of the best pool alarms. Best overall, Pool Patrol PA30. Our best overall product in this listing. It works equally well in either an in-ground or an above-ground pool. It floats on the pool surface and will activate when children or pets fall into the pool, creating a wave. It also emits a warning alarm when the wave touches the sensing ring of the pool alarm. Its sensing ring is adjustable so that it can be controlled to activate only when the object the size of the child or pet falls into your pool. Featuring easy-to-use tie-down strings and hooks enables the Pool Patrol to be secured to the side of your pool as well. Best value, Techko S187D. This safe pool alarm is designed to monitor a gate, door, window, or other entryways to your pool area. It has a high output of 110 decibels that sounds when the magnetic contact is broken without pressing the adult bypass button. And featuring 2 sensors means you have your sliding glass door open with your screen door shut, leaving the alarm active. It comes ETL listed and approved under Underwriter Laboratories 2017 standards. And being always in protective mode, it will sound the instant a door, window, or gate is opened and will continue until the bypass button is triggered. Best Smart, Proteus Aquo. This Wi-Fi water sensor is more customizable than any other standalone device. It is more suitable in basements or tanks, which are likely at a distance for your router. You can program alarm times, schedule power notifications, and integrate it with Amazon Alexa and IFTTT. And when it comes to its alarm, it has the loudest audible alarm at 85 decibels of any system you will get. Even better, it also is the only one that can integrate up to 5 sensors simultaneously. Moving on to its alert functions, this Wi-Fi sensor monitors the presence of water and sends you an alert message when water is detected in your inbox or smartphone. And if needed, you can also add multiple emails and phones to your notification list and get alerts when alarms are tripped. Best budget, Pool Guard DAPT 2. Next, if you're looking for an affordable option, this will be worth considering. This Pool Guard door alarm will sound in 7 seconds, even if a child goes through the door and closes it behind them. As a door alarm, it is always on and will automatically reset under all conditions. And coming equipped with an adult pass-through feature means it will allow the adults to go through the door without the alarm sounding. It is the only door alarm that is Underwriter Laboratories listed under 2017 standards for water hazard entrance alarm equipment. Finally, for the battery, it uses a 9-volt battery with a battery life of approximately 1 year. It also offers a low battery indicator that will audibly alert you when the battery is getting low. Best Premium, SwamCam. Lastly, we have this best premium option on our list. This is an excellent device to prevent emergencies and keep your children safe with a one-touch emergency dial. Its AI motion detection will provide accurate, up-to-the-minute alerts. And featuring a clear, precise video surveillance means it will help you keep a close eye on children and view the live stream from anywhere in the world with internet access using crystal clear 1080p full HD video. You can set a custom length of time for the system to rearm if you forget and use the keypad, or the app to arm or disarm the system. And using its smartphone app, you can also get 2-way audio and 1-way video communication as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.